Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you some wheel nuts and locks. These are from the company BONOSS. Let's just begin. Alright, let's just begin. These nuts and locks are for my 2024 Kia Sportage. The fine folks at BONOSS send these and also these titanium locks and bolts for a giveaway. These are titanium. I am going to show them. So let's just begin. I'm going to open them up so you can see the content, see how good they are, and see the material that it's made of. There you go, guys. Here they are. I'll open them up in a little bit. These are made of 50B V30 forged steel. So they are really hard to break. You won't have any problems with them breaking when you're applying them to your vehicle. And here they are, guys. These are really nice. Powder coated. You're not gonna have any problems with them chipping on the paint. And why do I have two different ones? Well, as you can see, they're for the same vehicle but two different sizes. The bigger one right here, the bigger one is gonna be a 21 millimeter with about a 35 millimeter of height. The smaller one is a 19 millimeter with a 33 millimeter of height. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit, I'm probably just going to install the bigger ones, but I do have my choice of either one. And another thing I want to mention is these are the locks. They look identical as these, but there's no way you're going to be able to get them out without the lock key, which is right here. There is no way you're gonna be able to get them out without that. The pattern that it has to unlock it is totally different from the ones that you're gonna install right there. Now let me take you to their website real quick so you can see what they carry, all the colors that they carry on these. And also they do have wheel spacers, which are some of the best wheel spacers that you're gonna get if you're looking to get yourself some wheel spacers. So let me take you to their website and so you can see the website. Alright, now that you saw what they have on their page, on their website, go ahead, get yourself some, guys. These are much better than the ones from Amazon, than the ones from AutoZone or Riley's. These are a lot better. I have some that I bought off of Amazon, and believe me, one of them already broke, which is not good. If you don't believe me, it's this one right here. It doesn't have it. it broke. So better to get good quality lug nuts and some locks for your wheels. Now about that giveaway. Now this is a giveaway. These are made up out of titanium, real light, and it has its lock right there. So right there, if you have a vehicle with that wheel thread, go ahead, comment below on this video and you'll be in for this giveaway. This is gonna be the giveaway from the company BONOSS. Thank you very much, guys, and let's just get see who the winner is gonna be. So if you want to participate and you have a wheelbase like this, a wheel thread like that, go for it. Titanium. All right, so let's just go to the vehicle, start installing them. Here we go, guys. They have been installed. Now it looks real nice, matches the wheel, and I know they're gonna last. Let me show you the other ones. Here's the rear, perfect. If you want to get your hands on some of those, I'm gonna leave out all the information in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you, get yourself some real good wheel lug nuts. Now don't forget about that giveaway. If you have that bolt pattern, leave a comment on the bottom that you want to participate and you're in for the drawing. Thank you very much, guys. This will be it for this video. Have a great weekend, have a great week. I'll see you next weekend. Stay safe and God bless.